Yeah. Let's play 1c5. Sicilian invitation. Did I do that against him last time? B5. I'm just gonna play something reasonable, but at the same time, like, pretend that I'm showing disrespect to try and tempt him. Provoke him even more. It's d4. Is that good? Yeah, it's not a big deal, I think. TC, knight a6. His idea was cd4, queen d4, and this is hanging, and the rook. This, however, seems fine. Can you put the layout a little bit up? If I could, I would. Isn't it fine? You can see the board, you can see the times. You can see the scores as well in the tournament, or at least some of them. Come on. Beggars can't be choosers, no? So now we get some kind of Benko Gambit where I haven't had to give up a pawn. It gives me one less open line, but still, since the Benko Gambit is usually like +1 for white, maybe this is about equal. Knight b5 maybe, d7, knight e8, try and challenge those squares. The idea here is basically, like, we've got a very solid pawn structure here. That is not easy to challenge. So this pawn is a little bit advanced, and so that if everything kind of opens up on the queen side, then we usually have a bit of a positional advantage, which is something that it's a bit of an alien concept to a lot of people, that you can actually play a gambit like this that is not really a tactical gambit, it's a positional gambit. And those can be a little bit harder to understand and to judge than the ones where you see a lot of tactical counterplay. So when you play the Benko Gambit, which I did at some point, you kind of have to get used to the fact that you're going to be pawn down most of the time. And you're not getting it back. You're getting some play, which is obvious in some lines, and it's more kind of iffy in others. But yeah, you're not getting your pawn back. So yeah, here I seem to be doing quite all right. Challenging the stronghold here. If he moves his knight, I think I'm going c4, breaking up the queen side. Well, knight e3, same thing. b4 is sometimes a thematic move. Oh, I didn't see that my knight was trapped. Well, that may be a little bit unfortunate. Let's go here then. I should have decent compensation, at least practically speaking. This guy is spending a lot of time. Queen b6, threatening bishop c3, and then queen e3. Yeah, this was expected, but I do get another pawn, bishop b4. I take this, so he kind of has to take back, and now materially it's fairly equal. I mean, that was a poor move. I just wanted to prevent knight c4, but I realized that I'm probably allowing some other things. Queen g4 in some lines. Rook a3 kind of forces knight c5, I think. This too. Yeah, that was not my best. Okay. Guess I'm not too unhappy to trade. I could have gone f5, but I mean, it's g4. I kind of rejected that on general grounds, and as we talked about earlier, part of the appeal of these Benko Gambit types positions is that your pawn structure is really solid, so don't want to compromise that willy-nilly. Queen d4 maybe seems reasonable. Idea is either of trading or maybe jumping here. Not for the moment though, since that square is not protected. Okay, rook b7, introducing rook b2 and also rook b1. I'm a bishop down, but I have some pawns. I have some good squares. I'm not massively bothered by it. Yeah, queen c4, I suppose. He has to watch out for this idea, which he smartly prevents. Let's renew the threat, potentially. I mean, it doesn't even, and it blunders blunders d3, that's fine. I still have positional compensation. Oh, could have taken his rook. Okay, I am doing too much yapping and too little thinking. Yeah, that was not my best. I should still be able to flag him here, but yeah, this has been a bit of a shit show. Queen d4 if he tried rook f2, but yeah, this is smarter. Just centralize the queen regardless. He's running dangerously short of time. Rook c3 probably blunders the pawn. Rook a4. Just trade the rooks then and push the pawn. So if you guys didn't get it already, this is all about flagging now. So obviously not going to repeat. If you wanted to repeat the position, f4, take it. Like, I'm by no means objectively worse here, and I'm oceans up on time. So I should be good. Maybe this is a bit dangerous. Let's trade the queens then. Yeah, maybe this doesn't actually win. That's fine. We're gonna flag him. Yeah, we lost some time. Okay.